about to replace the rear wheel and tyre on my BMW R1250. So to do this I had to remove the brake caliper and the silencer, the muffler, because I couldn't get the tyre out of this hole. So let's see if I can get it back on without any trouble. Ah, look at that. No bother at all. We have 5 bolts. Put them on the floor on a cloth. 5 bolts. It says low battery, which is typical. I can't find the other camera. This one in there, so we can get one on. First one on. There we go. Second one. My way of doing it. There are probably many ways to do it, but this is my way. I just put all 5 bolts in, and then opposing bolts I tighten up, and when I've cinched them down I'll get my torque wrench out and I will torque them down to the correct torque. All very simple, all very easy. That's them all finger tight. So I've set the torque wrench to 60 Newton meters, and that is a torque. Okay. I need an extension. Here's the extension. You torque it across. One. There you go. There you go. There you go. And go around. The Air Force taught me how to do this. You do. There we go. And we're torqued to 60 Newton meters. And now I have to replace the muffler. That shouldn't be too hard. Put it here. Wiggle it on. And just like that, the muffler is replaced. I have to do up this bolt and insert this bolt, and we're good to go. Very simple, very easy. same size bolt as before. Use my normal ratchet. Tighten it down. This has a torque setting too, but it's going to be 3 white knuckles. There we go, 3 white knuckles. You have to do up this bolt. Use a deep socket for that. Just tighten it up. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And tight. These are the 3 holes. 1, 2, 3. So it goes over there, like that. This is the top one. So this top one I have to use a ratchet because it has to go in at 90 degrees. Let's see if I can get this. First go. Comes in. Put that in there. Nope, missed it.